why the red in my eyes won't fade, or why my hands are always clenched so tight. You see a flicker of the fire I've made, and think you're looking at the whole of the light. But you're standing on the ridge of a sleeping peak, judging the smoke that drifts into the gray. You have no idea how the floorboards creak from the weight of the war I fight every day. Spill from a mountain vein, a little glow against the evening sky. But you don't see the deep and the ancient pain tearing at the roots where the shadows lie. I am a caldera under a heavy lock, holding the pressure of 1,000 years. Every little slide adds a shift to the rocks, threatening to drown the world in tears. I am holding back a mountain of ash with nothing but a wire and a prayer. You only see the tremors and the flash, and not the gravity that's hanging there. I'm a crust that's cracking on a sulfur lake, while the magma howls for the valley below. You call it a failure when I start to shake, but you don't see the miles I didn't let grow. You keep me waiting in the cold and the damp, telling me my nature is a stain and a sin. But you're keeping your oil for the evening lamp, and waiting for the day the walls cave in. You scorch me now for the way I burn. You scorch me now for the way I burn. But I see you watching the horizon line, waiting for the magma to finally churn, so you can point me at your enemies and say he is mine. If I ever truly let the mantle slip, if I stopped counting in the slow deep breath, it wouldn't be a tremor or a curling lip, it would be a scorch as wide as death.